Hi everyone, Aj hum baat karne wale hain EKA's nam ki jo desi roads ka asli king raha hai 2025 Tata Sumo 9-seater. Tata ne is icon ko ek ne roop mine wapas la car market mine damaka car dia hai. Sumo ka nam sunt hai ek powerful, rugged our reliable SUV damag mine ada hai, our ne avatar mine our be modern, stylish our ziada capable band chuka hai. 2025 Tata Sumo ka design ab purane boxy look say evolve car muscular our bold band gaya high. Front grille mine chrome touch, LED DRLs K soft projector headlamps our beefy bumper eyes ek aggressive presence deep hain. Side profile pay black cladding, roof rails our stylish alloy wheels eyes our be macho look deep hain. Interior key bot terrain to Tata ne practicality our comfort dono ka dian raka high. 9-seater configuration mine apco 2+3+4 seating layout milta high, jo family ya commercial use dono k liye perfect high. Dashboard pay modern infotainment system, digital instrument cluster our premium touch materials ka use kia gaya high. Iska bonnet k niche milta high 2.2L turbo diesel engine jo approximately 140 bhp our 320 Nm torque generate karta high. 6-speed manual gearbox K soth ye engine pella say ziada refined our fuel efficient high. Our cost bot, ye RWDK soth ada high, Lekin 4x4 variant B expect kia ya raha high future mine. Safety K mamo mine be tata ne compromise nahi kia. Ism dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, hill hold assist our seatbelt reminders J's features milt hain. Body on frame chassis hone K bawaju, iski ride quality our suspension tuning Indian roads K liye perfect high. Expected price range shuru hodi high around 11.5 lakh rupees say our top variant ya sakta high 15 lakh rupees talk. Agar APK reliable, powerful our spacious SUV duned rehi ho to 2025 Tata Sumo 9-seater ek perfect choice ho sakti high. As our reviews K liye channel ko subscribe karna na bulan.